Hello everyone, my name is Sathavahana, and I had got a training from Evision, and by referring for my friends, and I have gone to the training of Azure and AWS Cloud, and I have placed right now as a DevOps and SRE engineer in KERRY Group with a package of annual package of 20 lakhs per annum. So the trainings and the modules are very much hands-on, and especially Ganesh sir has guided and monitored very well, and they have also helped in preparing the mock interviews, giving the training materials, and cleared the doubts on spot, and also have the hands-on lab whenever we require we can practice, and they have aligned with the industry standards of what actual projects are doing in the DevOps and SRE field in the companies. So based on that only the training will be provided for us. So this training has helped me very much, and right now I have placed with an offer of 22 lakhs per annum with the KERRY Group. Thank you. Thank you, Evision.